So you want to master AI and automation, right? Well, this right here is the real starting line. Forget all the complicated tools for just a second, because understanding this one core idea, well, it's the foundation for literally everything else. Let's dive in. Okay, let's just cut to the chase with a question you've probably asked yourself. Why do so many people get all fired up about AI, jump right in, and then just slam into a brick wall? What's going on there? And here's the thing, the answer might actually surprise you. It's almost never because the AI tools themselves are too hard. Nope. It's because people try to do a superhero leap straight to the finish line, skipping the most basic, fundamental first step. And that's the step we're going to nail down today. All right, let's kick things off with part one, hardware. The easiest way to think about any smart system is to imagine it's a person. And if it's a person, the hardware is its physical body. So what is hardware exactly? Well, it's actually super simple. It's all the physical parts of a computer. I mean, if you can see it, if you can reach out and touch it, that's hardware. And this covers all the obvious stuff, like the laptop or phone you're probably watching this on, your keyboard, your screen, all hardware. But it's also the stuff you don't see, the components humming away inside. And it even includes those massive room-sized servers in some giant data center. If it exists in the physical world, it's hardware. Simple as that. But, and this is a big but, here's the catch. On its own, hardware is just a really fancy chunk of metal and plastic. It has all this incredible potential, but it can't do a single thing unless it's told what to do. It's a body with no brain, it needs instructions, and that's where the second piece of our puzzle comes in. Okay, so on to part two, software. Now, if hardware is the body, you can probably guess what software is. It's the thinking brain. Software really is just that, a set of instructions. It's the code, the program, the invisible intelligence that tells all that physical hardware what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. It brings the body to life. You're using software literally all day, every day. Every app on your phone, that's software. The operating system running your computer, that's software. Every single website you visit, all software. And yep, when you get right down to it, even the most mind-blowing AI is, at its heart, just an incredibly complex and brilliant piece of software. And now for the main event. This is the really critical part where the magic actually happens. It's all about the connection. I mean, this slide just nails it, right? On one side, you've got the hardware, the body, the physical stuff that actually performs the action. On the other side, you've got the software, the brain, the digital instructions that decide what the action should be. Think of it like this. Software thinks, hardware acts. You absolutely cannot have one without the other. They're a team. So, look, if you take away just one thing from all of this, let it be this sentence right here. Hardware is the body, software is the brain, and they only work together. This isn't just a cool analogy, it is the fundamental rule for all of computing and every single piece of automation out there. Okay, great. But how does this super simple concept actually lead us to the world of AI? Let's connect those dots. This is awesome because it shows that AI isn't some kind of black magic. It's just this exact relationship, working at a crazy advanced level. Step one. Hardware, like a camera or a mic, gathers some data. That's the input. Step two. The AI software, the brain, analyzes that data and makes a decision. That's the processing. And finally, step three. Other hardware, maybe a screen or even a robotic arm, carries out the decision. That's the output. Input, process, output. Body, brain, body again. See the pattern? And that right there is exactly why we started with this. Getting this fundamental partnership is the key that unlocks everything. If you try to jump into complex automation tools without this basic idea in your head, they're always going to feel weird, confusing, and just hard. But once this clicks, everything else starts falling into place. So what's next? Where do we go from here on this whole learning quest? Honestly, by just getting this one concept down today, you've done something huge. You've laid the first, most important cornerstone for your AI foundation. Now, everything else you learn from here on out can be built right on top of this solid understanding. It's going to make the whole journey so much smoother. So I'm going to leave you with a question to chew on. If the hardware is the body and the software is the brain, then what's the master controller? What's the thing that sits in the middle, managing both of them, making sure they communicate and work together perfectly? We'll get into that in our next explainer. Thanks for tuning in.